So it comes in a nice little carrying case. Here's the radiation detector itself. Comes with a detailed instruction manual, as well as a charging cable. So it has an internal battery. You can readily recharge it, so you can continuously monitor your radiation. So you just plug it into any type of square, and then on the right side of the monitor itself, there is a port for the USB-C. We can go ahead and plug that in, and then there's a LED light to tell you it's charging. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. All right, so here's the unit itself. As you can see across the top, I have current date, time. The three alarm indicators are all active, both the flashing lights, the vibration, and the audible alarm. There's a battery indicator on the far right corner. We have our current radiation level in milliroentgen, have our maximum and average limits. Those are in microsievert per hour. We have our temperature reading, our humidity reading, our current alarm level, and lifetime time. You can change our settings to Celsius or back to Fahrenheit, depending on what region you're in. You can put everything on a graph for monitoring. There's an on-off button in the middle. We can go into settings. We can change our measurement units from microsievert per hour to microgray per hour to milliroentgen to counts per second or counts per minute. We can change our alarm settings, system clock, alarm modes, they're all on. And we can change our display brightness or display language. So your practical application, there's a lot of different reasons you might want one of these. You should be able to determine if you have excessive radiation in your home, and it can come from many different sources. It can come from radioactive metals, it can come from lead, it can come from smoke detectors, come from CRT screens. There's all sorts of different possibilities in your home, and it can even come from the ground. So there's a ton of different reasons you might want to be able to measure and detect radiation. It could be in your home, it can be in a geological survey location, it can be in an industrial setting, it can be in your place of work. Any of these types of situations might be some reason you might want to have a radiation detector. And this one is easy to use, and it's rechargeable, it's portable, and it's very effective. So it's a very useful product, it's easy to use, and I hope you found this video helpful.